Hello guys, and welcome back to Almost Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Multiversus lag and connection issues. And this is definitely a frequent issue with this game, so in order to fix it, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix it in this video. So the first thing you guys can do is simply just delete the game and then reinstall it, and that way it will reinstall with the latest updates so you're not missing anything. And yeah, now the second method you guys can do is go ahead and restart your console, and you can do that by just going to power and then restart your console. It's the same, I'm pretty sure, for PC, same for PlayStation and Xbox, and it's easy on PC too. Anyways, yeah, once you're done with that, the other method you guys can do is go over to settings. You're gonna go to network, and then from network you're gonna go to, first you're gonna test your internet connection and make sure there's nothing wrong, and then you're gonna go to settings, and then you're gonna go to, you're gonna first turn this on and off. Then you're gonna go to set up internet connections, and then you can go ahead and basically just change the DNS settings, play around with that. And yeah, once you do all of that, you should be good to go. And yeah, so that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.